ka AICS haki laitli ki jika hikai bantip yakakor komputer hari bhoi district hanong po ha umsning bat ha bhoi rembong bantip khambnya wanmi haki institute jongi lade pun shangi tang kata rengi diru yakakor komputer hakador ke babit bat kimar ki batip top
report alor ka pangkat komisimuai jong department namata penengkam yang kali agade berka kami juga polis te nengkong tentang awat tip sana polis department agade kini kemuai kali te kumbus perkenal ini ba kat kongka motor vehicle act kena spat berapa section 66 la kadang syai ba onla banwai ye kali lai kali kiba claim register as commercial vehicle kata la pen syai kan section 66 kata kamu tang kali tani taksi kiba register as commercial vehicle department kilapan why di halor kani na perkenal yang biru peladan roka report na Central Vigilant Commission how arja kendriu lalap ba kani kar komisi muai kali ba buani bayo IY office kidai tang itu ke badan jadi bat office na galang ke office ne na galang diberi badan jadi wa government te kata ka report kalalai ku sipoka Finance Commission abadi bat kini jinle jumgi department te kumalakan kan semat ba jingwai kali private kalong ilika kalong gabean kat kumka motor vehicle act nice pa program section 66 te habele bane nagalai dunga kalawat jingkit apa police department berkata ke jingkeli ke penungkong ade. Kindly provide information along with the list of the owner and register number plate, tag of vehicle pertaining to the public vehicle hired by the police department, including location of duty. Tadi number 1. Number 2, kindly provide information pertaining to the total number of different types of police vehicle and their register number plate, including location of duty for all the ML02 vehicle in running condition. Number 3, kindly provide information pertaining to the pending amount that is needed to be paid to the owner of different type of vehicle as hired by the police department. They have a day information kamuyo they na ki borrowing estate they yamata na yo shutri district kabasa akalong tang hanoston badha bagbara Dekat kena report ke bamayo kalau apa senang ane polis kasih distrik kikali ke basinwai ke polis department kidon nyogo southly bagi ML02 kidon aspa nyogo bak kapsa basa ansiu sepaita kalau madusan kelur kendai provider Prapaja Sanspa Praposa kata kali pending amau kepada versio ciki pagba kebiwai kali polis telah nampak kasih
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ni pidon kam projector nak bentaki awareness program jompi pon singi ni IY shapi pran nyau laiwei kendai hendriwei ar nyau lai